Got Brian's S13 in today, doing a full suspension overhaul. Just got his subframe back in after pressing out the old bushings, putting in some BC Works solid aluminum subframe risers. Got all Streetdreams adjustable arms, camber, toe, track. There's a few other things too. We're gonna tuck up his downpipe because, you know, that's slammed life, all about it. Got some boost gauge, water temp gauge, AFR gauge, oil pressure gauge. I think there's a couple other more goodies we need to do to it, but that's the most of it.
Okay, come down a hand. There.
Okay, I got it. Start it going. Don't crank it tight because we'll need to do up the front first. Just tightening up the front diff cover. Always tighten up the front bolts before you tighten up the rear, so you get the diff cover right up against the subframe. And then you can tighten up the rear and go up against. Otherwise, you're just gonna start bending shit.
You're just watching people work, eh?
Brian's been ripping around on this bad boy for a hot minute. Got him a brand new one. It doesn't look quite as shitty as this. Track spare. Yep.
So twist the LCA.
Yeah.
Other mounting.
You're annoying, eh? To adjust your arms properly. Do not just adjust one side. Put the bolt through, put it in the stock arm, adjust the center nut until it goes all the way out into the stock location. Gotta go more, and more, a bit more. Boom, that bolt hole lines up. Now it's adjusted to stock length. So we're just putting the drive shaft in. We're gonna put the axles in. And then we're gonna go down and do the camber arm and the track arm. And do it with the brake lines. Then we're gonna bleed the brakes. And then the rear subframe's done. If someone wanted to have a super sick looking subframe and arm setup as Brian Topping right here does, then all you need to do is paint your subframe, get some BC Works solid subframe risers, which are also available at Platform Garage, and then go to shop.platformgarage.com and order a set of Streetdreams rear adjustable arms. All of them are available, every single one. And if you want, you can even get stickers too. You can even get shirts. You can even get our sick air fresheners. You could probably ask Joel to send you a nice photo of his face. If you really wanted, he could probably sign it for you too. You could probably ask Jeff for the same thing, you know. You could probably ask
You need a premium though for that one.
They need your premium Snapchat for that?
Yeah.
Adjusting camber arms. So I can put in the camber arms. And we get a camber arms. I forgot to mention, I never seized all the threads. Fully remove this outer portion, never seize, put it back in. Remove the inner portion, never sees, put it back in, and then adjusted it. Noah wasn't here when I did that, so blame Noah. I'm sorry.
Just tightening everything up, finishing up the rear, and we'll be done.
We're gonna put the brakes now. We're gonna like bleed the brakes and then like bleed the brakes and break the bleeds. And another bushing.
Thank you, sir. Bushing, cup, nut.
Cup facing down.
I can't reach that. Oh shit.
Joe. No only has so many hands.
Thanks, Noah.
You got Joe! You did it!
Holy moly.
Wow, cool. I was really hoping you'd just fucking get there. Can't believe he just did that. That was a perfectly good S13 arm.
Yeah.
I think we're done the subframe and everything. I think we're done. Now we can do other stuff, which isn't necessarily going to get filmed because Noah has to go do homework. But other than that, the subframe's done. Subframe risers are done. All the Streetdreams stuff is done. It needs an alignment now. Brakes are bled. Underglow is back on. Jeff's stoked.
I'm pretty stoked. I am. Are you stoked?
I'm pretty stoked.
Yeah.
Yell at the like button. Yell at the subscribe button. Yell in the comment section. Buy stuff off shop.platformgarage.com. Yell while you do it. That's Dad talking to Mom.